Guys, we're attending a glamorous Christmas party for our traveling tours business. Look guys, ngayon ko lang uli nasuot yung aking 1951 Rolex Precision. More than 1 million pesos to guys. I bought this 33 years ago. Ito lang yung food eh. Wala tayong logo dyan. Wala tayong logo.
May raffle po kasi sila na parang lahatan.
Pag in-scan mo siya,
pupunta po sa page. Tapos mag-review lang po. Tapos dun sa review.
Thank you.
Thank you so much po.
Raise your hands. There we go. We see a lot of people in Zoom though. You know what? If there's one thing I'd like to share, I want to talk about something. How many minutes do I have? Remind me, ha? Mamaya, madala ako dito. You're gonna remind me, okay? Can I share something tonight? Is that a yes? Yes. Alright, great. So I didn't prepare any PowerPoint, but as I was coming here kanina, sabi ko una-una, I'm so thankful kasi lalo na ngayon, December, back-to-back events for everything, no? But I couldn't miss this event kasi whenever I get to talk to people, especially from Gladix Travel Tours, from Pinoy Online Travel Biz, it's just different. Una-una, how many of you know
all the learnings, all the growth na pwede natin mag-grab for ourselves? It's because what we're learning here is not just skills para kumita. These are lifelong skills, di ba? Negotiating, di ba? Pagmamath, di ba? Parang lahat na kapag nasa travel agency business ka. So I'm encouraging you really to really choose yourself even further. Sabi nga ni Coach Joss, growth season, tandaan natin yan. I had my own growth seasons as well. And isa sa mga biggest growths ko last year was really joining Gladdy and Pinoy Online Travel Biz to help you out and our country for the better. So maraming salamat and see you all again next year.
Congratulations, ma'am! Congratulations to you! Thank you, ma'am!
Sa paid advertising, you need to invest talaga sa paid advertising.
Nice to see you here. Thank you so much.
One more na po.